Hello and welcome to another video of campers.eu. In this video I want to talk about something bigger, a little bit bigger. It's the Ford Nugget Plus. It's a Ford Nugget but on a long wheelbase and with a high top roof. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos. So let's start with the Ford Nugget with pop top. This is within 5 meters, and with the pop top down it's 2.7 meters. And it's one of our more popular models because it's still compact and has this great different layout, very different to what you see in the Volkswagen California and Mercedes Marco Polo and the Campster. And what Ford has done is they've taken this layout and put it on a long wheelbase car, which is standing here. So it's still the Ford Nugget, the Ford Transit Custom in the base, but with the high top. And this car is 5 meters 34. So you have the longer wheelbase with the high roof, which gives you, of course, extra interior space. And let's check out what that means. This car, by the way, is in chrome blue. At a first glance, it looks very similar. You have the 3-seat bench that you have in the Ford Nugget, short wheelbase as well. And, the seats also are swivel seats, of course. The table that can extend to a long table. It's very easily done. I can show that in a minute. And then you walk through to the kitchen area. Let me go around the car. Another gray. But here's the difference. So here you see there's on that side that's a toilet. It's a fixed toilet, which you can use, of course, and they've taken this extra space that the Ford Nugget Plus has to put that toilet in. And on the left side you see some chairs. This is some camping chairs. This is an optional extra. It's part of the outdoor pack. Then you get 2 extra seats, and there's also a table located here in the tailgate. That's also part of that outdoor pack. Then coming into the interior, you see it has the same kitchen layout, just the kitchen is a bit longer, has a little bit different shape, and you have an extra sink here for your washing area. This car is equipped with the boiler as well. You can add a boiler if you'd like. It's a 12 and a 220 volt boiler. And then you can have some hot water during camping, and the hot water comes from here, and also from the tap, of course, and also from the outside shower. The connector is located just around the corner, and you have hot and cold water. You don't have that in the short wheelbase vehicle. That will always be cold water if you opt for a boiler as well. So you have Westfalia is always very clever in getting storage space. So even here is a small cupboard. Here's the ladder to go to the upper bed, and then from here, just on the side, you see the another storage area, and below there, a smaller one. And up front there, the short wheelbase does not have a locker there, but this one does, the Plus does. So you have more space to store stuff, which is quite nice. And again, the bed is on top there. I'll try to move it out for you in a minute. So the bed is located on top. You can see it there. It has these 2 clips, which you have to unclip. Unlock like so. The other one I already did. And then you lower this front part, and here you can see the disc system underneath the bed. It's very comfortable. In the middle you have a handle. You can pull the bed out, and you can see on the side that it slides down all the way, and give the mattress a push. And flip the front over, and then you have a very large bed. And we've ordered the large window in the rooftop, which gives you also more headspace. It's always a good option. And we've added the small window here in the back as well. So then you have enough light. You have these windows on the side. They all help. There are reading lights here, located on the side if you in bed and want to read a book. With the bed down, you can still sit downstairs. That's the nice thing about the Nuggets. So you have now 4 areas in the car. You have the living area down, the sleeping area on top, you have your kitchen area, and then a toilet. And as you can see there's a black cover which helps you separate the toilet from the kitchen. Lock it in there so you have some privacy when you go to the toilet. And like with a normal Nugget, you can still make a bed from the 3-seat bench. Your feet are in the kitchen and it moves all the way forward. And I always use the backrest like so you can sit against it and read a book. If you want to see how this works, please check the video for the Ford Nugget that I made already. In that video I show how this transforms from a seat to a bed. And of course with Westfalia you get a nice umbrella located on the side. With that we come to the end of the video. As always I want to go over the options that this car has. This car is, we equip all the Ford Nugget Plus with the same engine. And that's this car has a 185 horsepower diesel engine with an automatic gearbox. This is really a great combination for a car like this. It's a smooth engine, it's fast, and the automatic gearbox is very nice. It adds to the comfort of the vehicle. This color, like I mentioned before, is called Chrome Blue. And then we've added the visibility pack on this car, which is adaptive cruise control, and you have this, like a lot of Fords do, heated front screen. You have power folding mirrors, rain and light sensors, and there's this lane assist. It has the rear view camera, parking sensors, front and back come standard, and it has the audio, the ICE 25, which means you have 8-inch screen with DAB+, navigation, app link for your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've added the tow bar, fixed tow bar in the rear, and it's like you already saw in the interior, it has the LED light pack, so you have all these. So here is the tow bar. Now, of course, it's normal, and then you have, these are the normal lights on top, but here come the LED lights are in the kitchen. Down below in the front, and here in the cabinet on the side. That's the interior light pack, and here on this pillar there's a dimmer as well, so you can dim the lights at night, which is nice. We've added the mosquito net and a cassette awning. So it's not yet on this car, but we will fit it this week. It's included, and then, like I talked about, it has the windows in the rooftop, the large one up front and the one extra in the back. And we've added the boiler for hot water and the outdoor pack that I already showed you, with a table in the tailgate and the 2 extra seats. Now with that you have a very nice vehicle, well-spec'd vehicle with everything you need. With that, I want to end this video. I hope you liked it, and if you have questions, please let us know, and I hope to see you in the next one.